Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
Alright guys, welcome back to another weekly analysis of the Forex and crypto markets. So as usual, we're going to go with the new format where we'll look at things top down from the monthly chart all the way to the 4-hour chart, which is where we usually do make our executions on. So last week we made this analysis. Let's jump into the 4-hour chart to talk about the analysis for last week before we try and break down the potential moves this week. So we said that to look out for this breakout of this channel, which it did. However, this failed to go and go back down into the channel. Yeah. So I think I'll just clear this out so that we get a clean slate for this week's analysis. Okay. So if you look at the monthly, another breakdown is very possible, right? It failed to hold the top of the channel. However, there's this white line over here, right? Which is the more significant channel actually. Okay, so let's redraw this. And right now we're at the top of this channel, and the market isn't very clear on what it wants to do. So it could very well break back down into it. However, I think that is not likely. If it breaks down into it, we're definitely going to see more downside. Yeah, but I don't think that's likely. Mainly because if we look at the RSI, we recovered from the bottom of the channel, looking for an up move. Same here on the weekly, it did recover and then hit the top of the RSI, and then now deciding what to do. I think for me, the more likely case than not is continued upside. But the bias is only slightly to the upside. Right? So I think what I'm expecting to see this week is some more downside. Right? We'll play around with this again, and then we're going to see the pump that we're waiting for. This pump will take us all the way up. Right. However, if this fails to play out, then the other scenario would be actually a downward move side direction here, and then we test it. And over here, let's see what the market wants to do. Is it going to break down, or is it going to find some support and go make its way upwards. Right. So at this point of time, you can be sure slight bias to the upside. I think to the upside will be a better play than to the downside.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.